Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to see a beginner level chess puzzle. I really don't remember where I seen this, whether on chess.com or Chess, but I found it interesting, so sharing with you guys. So let's see the board. Looking at the board now, White King is really smothered with his own pieces as shown, but this bishop has a really active diagonal here. White really want to move for the draw and his intention to push this pawn ahead, but here is a black's move and black doesn't have really good moves here. If he moves his rook, then white will move his bishop. Black really don't want to take this pawn here because he is losing his pawn. Like b takes on a2 and king takes on a2. This is good position for white. If black will move his rook back, then white will do the same, and due to the repetition it is going to be a draw. But there is a very beautiful two move checkmate is available for black, and we have to find it. So think about it. Hope you have find that move. If don't, then don't worry, pause the video and take your time. And that move is rook to a3, and white is going to be a forced checkmate here. As you can see, king can't move and this pawn can't be moved because of the rook who is pinning the pawn. There is only two pieces which can move, but if they move, like bishop, if bishop moves, then rook to a2, checkmate. And if the pawn takes the rook, then pawn to b2, and it is also a checkmate. A really nice puzzle, isn't it? If you like this video, then go ahead and click the like button. Also watch my previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.